How his baby eyes go beard, go blood clot beard. Yeah, you tell RT boss said Ivany is out.
Alright, you see when we are sort out the band something? Maybe I word it wrong, right? So you know
yeah, deal with the RT they be the bad because you say be you afraid that you don't take it out for this way. But every time cut off the whole of the bumbo clot, talk ya.
So when him say him depend on live and say I send somebody down there. You Vanny don't know the person, but you send somebody down there. You know, find out from if somebody's already there to band her out. So I call him back, I say she's out. And the person
That you wrong this girl. Be things that go on behind my back when I don't know, brother. You're wrong this.
Maybe my wording is wrong.
Help. Listen, it gonna look funny. And it would look funny to me too. May I tell you straight. Toya, you can't tell the man that. You should have said, no man, we have somebody else. We soon make you know what go on. So you tell
somebody is at the court.
RT say if she out, RT gonna say yes, my girl out and happy because he might work hard for she come out. Toya, you're wrong. You're wrong. And then I back me a back here, but you me know say the girl with the on the live, me just go up and make them know say yeah, that girl is Ivany friend for sure. But in a real life, me see where the anger come from, come with a dark fire to Toya. Me now bring you down, you know. But me just say that for you tell him say she out, you're wrong this so.
So when me say she out,
plan up for true. Me I think all different type of smutty way.
So me say she out, me say, but remember it's a process. Because them have to do the paperwork and all these stuff. The bond is paid and everything already.
Wrong, Toya. Shouldn't say she out. Should have said somebody did a fair already, man. Why never use your head and say somebody did a fair already, man? Just say that. You understand? When they say she out, it look like yes, she out. So
okay,
him come
well,
out
that was my wrong wording then.
She's out and Ray. When really for a fact she's not out. Me and you know she not out.
Well, that was my wrong wording. So you can't
blame them from a go and say dark too. But no come go and blood clot dark for me stinking RT boss. No blood clot dark up no town for me. Oh, come in and know about blood clot, nothing drunk. Oh. But by right still Toya, if you say that you lead them in a wrong direction, mama, and then I go back this again. No, would that dark like them too. Me not go tell a lie. Me not give them the right for get bright and everything, but you never you cast a little drama cost up me right now. Yeah, cause if you just
but cheese, when they say out, you know, cause them I said somebody's going there to bond her out. So when I say she's out, that's what I meant. That
means she's out, so she don't need nobody to come bond her. That means that she's free, she there road. We shall not say it go. So yeah, it's gonna aggravate them because them are try everything that them in best for help. See all them things that I didn't fucking know, bumper clot, know nothing, brother. You don't know nothing, brother. When you ever come draw me in a blood clot batty hole, me no know drunk or dirty bumbo clot RT. Me know something what go on.
So that's you are what you speak was on the live. See, she said she banned, but it's a process. Thank you very much. That was exact my words.
But think you say
that was exactly my words, right? Right? Who was on the live, guys? What was my exact word?
Why may I tell you?
Okay.
You said she out. You said she out. You said she's free. You said she out. You said she was out. You said that after the whatever. You said she out. You said she out. Toya said Vanny's out. No, it look it gonna look phony. That's gonna look phony. I would get real dark.
But guys, remember I also said it's a process.
Toya, but remember, she out. Listen to Toya, you say if they use the term she out, that means she out.
And I understand, and I'm taking
you come back again and say she not out, them get how that look.
Full accountability for what I said, guys. Remember, I've never been in this situation before. So please understand, I've never been in this situation, so I don't know. Whatever wording I said, said band out, so I was just moving with band out. I don't know if it would mean that she was coming out entirely, but band out.
So that's why them start bring off this say I be alive.
Everything was done, but you just never know say immigration will ever get involved, guys. You get what me I say?
I wonder if Ivany come out, God Almighty. Can we just see something come up a while ago? Why me I tell them I want this done? Cause Ivany need all the support she can get now. Oh, RT boss did go and me never like it. But Toya, me that go and same way too. Cause me I say with the bumbo clat ya go around so much kind of me I tell you the truth. You get me?
But she's what them not understand. You see, Ivany not tell me if you say something, me not say it. And that's what they want me to come on the live and just speak. I cannot do that. Me have to hear from her first.
Boy, this is sit there tired, that's stressed. Cause see, the world we have a good friend broke up. We have a good friend done. Me have a good suck cocky friend done. For carelessness. Although him did have me up, cause him see a long time, him want run my way. Nah, no lucky now, guys.
Guys, me wouldn't know about the immigration part, guys. Me wouldn't know about the immigration.
Here, my look spell fuck.
Because even the attorney never know about the immigration part.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty. I feel like I would have scream. Just really want Ivany to come out for true. Me nah fix nothing. Him too fucking out order. If him come tell lie for me again, you must see blood clot, mad. You must see bright. Now give him the chance to do so, baby. Me I block him from every angle when me come on fire, so. So him better drunk or block me first, yeah? Oh, come here, block up your blood clot bridge. Too outside and I know if you deal with people. You can't deal with people, so. Pussy, remember me any before we turn friend, you know. And who comes this big friend, so me can't have a fight, I'm hard for class. So when me hear you, me have to shoot you after you in idea, you drunk or tabat. Oh. Why Toya, because get still wrong. You're wrong. You make them think one different way still. Me not go tell you, like, me not take off for no drunk or body. But you make them think so. You should just tell them plain as.
But she's, you know the funny thing I not understand. When I said that.
Yeah.
From this morning early, me I call you. Toya is to be blamed, you know why?
Yeah.
Toya get...
The phone cut off.
You
know, one girl call me. Call you.
Me even said it's something I gotta take a time. It's a process. When you can't just go and pay the money, so. And something there. When them say somebody up here.
What's your Pinky post? Pinky Ivany said she never need them L. Not surprised. Me and my friend say this would have happened. Laugh out loud. You hear that?
But me tell them, me say Vani said she never
Ivany never tell nobody by rights if you go beg. Me tell you the truth.
Ivany never tell you to go do it.
RT them just come together and say them would you know help. I understand RT them to in a both ways. You see me?
Yeah, just listen.
Yeah.
When everybody say, if she did out, she just send a text, put up a post or something when nobody nasty. Because some people say maybe she come up, but then put up a restriction where she can't go live. And we say, yeah, well, understand. But knowing her, she would have put up some thank you post or something.
Yeah.
RT started getting mad again. That was when Toya come out and I try to explain, say, yes, the bail money pay, she get bail, but it take a process and because her name the IW. Right? Somebody made a call to the station.
Yeah.
Hours last night. And they proved Toya wrong.
Okay.
When the lady made the call, everybody have bashed the lady pan Bling live. And I said, nothing no go so. And if you come out for Ivany name or whatever.
Yeah.
Right? So the same Caribbean woman, we don't care where people come from, you know.
Right.
We love when people love and support Jamaicans,
right.
You know. Right? But see, the same lady come back, come prove it this morning, they and call the station. Because the same lady, a different lady must say, call the station and get information. And even today when the lady tell over the station, say people are still bashing the lady in the comments. And the lady call the station until she get the station. And then prove Toya wrong. So and that is what get RT upset. And not only RT, the general public is upset.
The general public will be upset. Have to be upset.
You know one thing me I say?
How they prove me wrong? Hold on. How they prove me wrong?
No call get no money because no money no needed, and you give your circumstances why the money no needed. Which if them did follow you, all of this would not happen.
Yeah, you need that on the live, girl.
I was following your life.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All of this would not happen. Because what me that gonna do, I would borrow $1,500 out my account and lend it to them. Because I know I would get it back when the woman come.
Saying the lawyer's name is nothing illegal. Because they can always say Oakley's firm law.
Yeah.
Or Oak says some things that whosoever want to call a firm to find out if it's true that they're representing Ivany.
But we don't want the whole media call the law firm.
What if people are calling law firm for?
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Yes, it matters. We don't want nobody to call the law firm.
Come out and prove Toya wrong about the whole money thing. It costs all of this.
What?
You understand?
So now the receipt that the people them see.
Prove me, lady, prove me wrong with what money to.
The receipt must be sent to Bling and Bling forward our TikTok liar whosoever it want go to. The public not seen a receipt. They were telling Toya.
Lawyers don't do receipt, honey. They do retainers. Retainers.
Right?
What?
No.
Lady, you don't know that. Lawyers don't do receipts. We do retainers.
It costs all of this because here we know when the people them start contact the station and get the credible information. And so come Toya come say, Toya, you know, so Toya even tell the people them say Ivany say thanks for the help.
Yes.
And thanks to prayers and everything.
Yes, she thanks to that because at first she called Toya and said,
Toya don't talk to Ivany in person all know. It's somebody from Atlanta. Talking to Toya, giving
this bitch. Lady, shut up your mouth. Lady, shut up. Lady, shut up. Lady, shut up. Lady, shut up. Lady, shut up.
God bless her.
Lady, shut up.
Toya, don't talk to Ivany in person.
She talk to her because listen to me now, I get a missed call from Ivany. You get me?
And she know why she was calling you.
What?
Why she wanna call Toya and Toya more closer to me? Me and Ivany just talk back.
Please, have a nice evening, darling. Thanks for receiving my call. I will continue to watch your live, darling.
I'll be a shit yard chat, lady. Come off our live.
No, sir, this year, can't bother. That means that me get hooked up in a blood clot, something we don't know about. Or them would not make it sound like. Me not understand this because a Toya passed on the message to me from Ivany.
Unless I'm so much of a liar, and I'm crazy.
I don't understand this.
Guys, I'm so crazy. I'm mad.
Lord Jesus, blood clot.
I'm mad.
Hello.
I'm mad.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Do you know that Ivany ban was denied?
Oh, denied. Oh, Ivany van was, but oh, Ivany van.
It was not paid for. So where's the ban money?
I'm not worried about the ban money. The ban money would
pussy
come.
blood clot them in my ear.
I'm telling you.
No, I have to really talk to Ivany now for sure.
Because they put a case to the immigration.
So the ban must be paid for.
She's called the
me have them the lovely time. They are one phone me have we can call and I hit me depend upon my life right now. Me not go call nobody right now. Me I tell you the truth. Cause me can't bother with this mama blood clot here with me here in my ear.
Cheese. Relax. It was paid. Don't listen to them, cheese. It was paid. Don't listen to them, okay?
I'm a believer, Toya. Toya love Ivany. Toya not going to do that. Which big old girl I tell me go sleep? I'm part of my life. Your phone not on hotline. Hello.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Don't answer no more car where I come in for your phone pertaining to Ivany. Make them go away. I'm mixed up.
Alright, mama.
Them two friggin' mix up. How them know that? And them can't call police station and inquire about Ivany.
To do that. If you make the girl just look away.
Every minute they call the station. Me say me sorry for these things are public.
I don't believe that. No money.
Call from the girl and the boy for your phone again, cheese. Pertaining to Vani, don't answer if it is not your friend or somebody I call you.
You know, like this.
Let me stay too bad, man. From morning, oh God Almighty.
Let me call the prison to the girl. What am I called on the phone?
Different life to different life.
This I get out and God, them say one paper, one paper.
Jesus Christ.
She's still out for one. Only in the woman life, you know. Me say me glad the name we wanna have. You can go search this blood clot when they get old. Cause I know this me under. So go tell federal. You go and go tell federal. Oh no. When me search, you don't have nothing for blood clot fight.
Them too fucking love.
The bumper ass clot. Brother, me I telling you this, January.
Jesus Christ! If we're gonna have to earn our scholar to one of them name and the other day with the pilot to stop chapter 101. A two man no powerful like a God.
Mighty God. One somebody can bear it, so man. Oh God, man. You think we love Ivany. That's why art is so dark. No, still me tell you. Listen, anybody me hear how I'm going, but listen on, you can't. We know, but listen on now. Me not look on it one way. One thing with me, a two way. Me look on life. Me not look on life one way. Because listen, I understand the drunk crow. Why my behave so? You get me? Come with a behave so too. And the truth. Remember now, me well want Ivany come out. Listen now. You know, listen, my mama. Me a RT now, me well want Ivany come out, you know, so me I try every little thing we can do. The first strike we strike. Boom, when we come, alright then. We not dead enough, but we are hear from people. The person who give you information, give you a twist up information. You don't get that? You don't get that too. I understand the shit house. I understand.
You understand it, because Toya never explained good.
Yeah. Toya, you go wrong this mama. We not kill you, we love you same you, but you go wrong. You have to be more vigilant. You come, boom, you don't know how to explain it. Listen, RT. I want no one to business to the on the media and say, Mama, WhatsApp you. WhatsApp him and talk to you, alright?
Same way.
Decent, discreet. A decent little conversation.
I really love you. But I just that, make the whole of them done for you.
That them look them come suck me over there. Because I never do nothing. I'll come to see the girl who have the phone and the key, our friend for true. That's why I'm that time ago. Them bite me up over there, poor me no know nothing walk along. You know enough to go and so come over there we do no demon over there we do every night. Bring out my number. If you have a problem with me, bring a share message me and say, cheese, listen, just ease off over the car. The people in my bunny out.
Cheese.
You see me?
Cheese.
Yeah, now demon.
Cheese. Let me clear. Let me say something real quick, right?
I know them. RT boss say it. Me here. Sometimes I have to push and to know in them belly. Even though I never know, I have to go but know.
You know, make no sense when you do it. As far as how me see it.
Oh, no make no sense. If people come and tell her lie for me, right here, the right thing me do. It's a lucky thing we go up there, go get enough. I don't know what my blood clot up to. Go on here.
True.
Cheers. Alright, so hear me out for a second, right?
Why?
I'm going to say this.
I have money. If me didn't have money right now, me send the money come go enough to send it go back go
get them. Don't be a tell, but it up today we can borrow 50 bills out of my savings. You know that not gonna do nothing to my little money when I do my business with. Can't go broke and can move from your start anytime. Come on, rent. You know, me not hide that.
Alright guys, hear what me I say. Amela said this, and after me say this, I have nothing more to say. To the person that just came up and said the bond was not paid.
Yeah man, alright, jump. You're tired, what you say?
So for the person who came up a while ago and said the bond was not paid, let me make this very clear to you, honey. First and foremost, the money that was used to pay the bond has nothing to do with the gifters who sent the money. Secondly,
Said Mary
The
Chris.
bond was cancelled because immigration picked up the matter. Okay? It wasn't just cancelled because, for cancel's sake.
So
It
like
was cancelled because immigration picked up the matter.
So
and the money was returned to the card.
Okay.
And I have nothing further to say. The money was not from any of the gifters or the donors.
Okay, that was out of your pocket.
Okay.
Okay, so you see that? And nobody here, Toya come and ask, nobody say, you know, say $2,100 needed, lend me. On the here now, guys, the only reason why, you know, they say she be allowed is because it cancel.
So the person who just come up and say, oh, we'll never pay no bond, you chat too much, you're too enough, mind your fucking business. And I have nothing else to say.
This look away. This cranny.
Because I don't know one so invested and one knows so much. You just wait till the girl come out, then she speak or shoot or speak where she have to speak.
Boy, Toya, this look good for you still, like, yellow. I be do what? Hello, be do.
I don't busy with them one say.
Me never keep money
just, from the money was used for the lawyer.
Explain yourself at first. At that, you never make it known. Tell Mommy Sweetness go live and send me a request. Tell her a live Toya there. Jeez, we obligated to hear as Ivany fans. Yeah, me not say nothing. I'm me say so. I'm not me say me not attack you.
And guys, anyone say Toya be biased and not tell nothing a lie.
Over here. Me never say nothing. Toya say it over Toya live if you go right that, baby.
Right what?
Say them obligated for hear as Ivany fans, which is right.
And I understand, and I said, if you're not gonna be biased, you can't say, me never keep on up to date. I'm gonna just come keep me have to hear from Vani first, because I don't want to come out here and just put stuff out. Me have to hear from her first before I come out and say, alright. And even when she gave me the last piece of information, I said, I don't want to tell them.
Exactly, because you come to me and you said, Vani don't want nobody know herself for wait. And yet then, when you look, you're the pumping alive and say, yes, she out. Me ignorant face it, Toya.
No, not that one, cheese, not that one.
So I don't like when people tell me nothing. Because you say, you tell me, you say, don't say nothing. Now when you look, you're gone.
No, not that one. Not that one. Check back your message.
The bailout, you talk about that one day.
No, check your message again. No, I never message no messenger. Tell you.
Yeah.
I never that. I go text you and tell you what.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Me just not like this. When we fear prayer, every minute is a different judgment for little girl name. And that's why I take down her picture. Yeah. Because prayer, we have the picture of prayer. Everybody just comes and say something good from them heart. Something good.